Imagine a world where every athletic achievement is tainted by doping. Is this the future we want for our sports? Doping is like a cheat code that destroys the integrity of sports. It threatens the very essence of sportsmanship and honest competition. In review studies, it revealed that researchers estimated that between 14 and 39% of current adult elite athletes have intentionally used doping. But this affects all levels of play. As according to a 2016 study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, the prevalence of EED use among high school athletes in the United States ranged from 2.7 to 4%, depending on the specific sport. And according to Statistica, the number of anti-doping rule violations worldwide from 2013 to 2019 ranged from 1,500 to around 1,900. I'll begin my speech by discussing how doping undermines sports values. Next, we will examine how doping not only damages sports integrity, but also players' health. Finally, I'll review how this reveals various systematic issues that sports organizations may have. Considering all this, let's first discuss the effects of doping on sports integrity. Doping hurts sports integrity by eliminating fair play and undermining its values. If we value winning at all costs, embracing that mentality undermines the very value systems that sports is supposed to have. When athletes give in to the temptation of winning at any cost, even if it means by doping, they chip away at what makes sports special. Sports are supposed to be about fair competition and striving for personal excellence, not about finding shortcuts to victory. That Sports Conflict Institute article quoted Gary David, Associate Professor of Sociology at Bentley University, saying if professional athletes are doping, then that's going to trickle down to college athletics, high school athletics, and inevitably is going to end up in youth athletics. As you can see, doping not only damages the sport's integrity, but also players' health. Doping damages the athlete's health. It damages in various ways. The psychological impact doping has is a consequence not often talked about regarding doping. The physical effects are very prevalent, as it put a heavy strain on the body. According to researchers from the University of Wisconsin School of Medicine and Health, common symptoms of doping include acne, rapid muscle gain, and irritability, deepening of voice and facial hair in females, visible injection sites and cysts. The pressure athletes face that leads to them feeling the need to take PEDs is very damaging to their mental health. In this, they recommend athletes to use safer alternatives to PEDs, including optimal nutrition, weight training strategies, and psychological approaches to improving athletic performance. Beyond the physical impact of doping, it also has a negative effect on the athlete's mental health. It can make prior mental health problems worse, as some reasons for athletes of using and doing doping include psychological aspects, personality factor, lacking socialization, career determination, weight management, and effect of improved performance. The integrity of sports and health of players hurt by doping is only reinforced by various systematic issues sports organizations have had with doping. Various systematic issues with doping plague sports organizations. The World Anti-Doping Agency, WADA, regulates the use of performance-enhancing substances, the rules set down in its code, which is signed by most countries. However, it remains a problem that violators can use illegal drugs, yet avoid being caught for doping, and therefore athletes can win by unfair means. Doping tests have always been questioned, or if they are even trustworthy, as things like accidental indigestion, sample contamination, and lack of decision limits. Something to consider is that anti-doping efforts sometimes vary considerably from country to country. In a study done by the WADA, as you can see up here, and the graph right here, it's not equal among all countries, so it varies considerably. One of the most famous examples of rampant drug use in sports organizations would be from the late 90s to early 2000s, where numerous cyclists, including the notorious Lance Armstrong, were caught using performance-enhancing drugs. Solving these systematic issues is necessary to ensuring sports integrity and athletes' health. Doping in athletics is a prevalent issue that continues to damage various aspects of sports. There are countless reasons doping in athletics is harmful. Doping undermines the value and integrity of sports. It damages the health of players in many ways. And sports organizations continue to have systematic issues that allow for the harmful effects of doping to continue. As we aim for a future where sports are known for genuine excellence, it is crucial that we address the issue of doping directly. Doing so allows us to maintain the spirit of sportsmanship and uphold the values that make athletics a respected pursuit. Thank you.